What's up, guys? I'm Alex Hill, host of Tastemade Spice Baby, and we're at Casa De Lola at high tide right here in downtown, and I'm gonna find somebody to eat with. Let's go.
Casa De Lola is a collective of chefs, me, my sister, and my aunt.
We're Puerto Rican and Dominican, raised in LA, but we're bringing like our flavors mixed with California fresh produce.
We host a lot of different dinner experiences, from pop-ups to private dinners.
We're really just trying to put our culture on the map here in LA, and I feel like we love cooking outdoors, and that's a huge part of like what Casa De Lola is all about.
The reason why I'm here today is not only to support my best friend Victor with his initiative, but also to make my famous michelada.
Hey, girlfriend.
Hey, what's up?
Tell me your name and where you're from.
Raisa, and I'm from Miami.
Ooh, Miami. So that means you are...
I'm Cuban.
Ooh, Cubano. Oh, okay. So have you ever had Dominican and Puerto Rican food?
Separately, but not a lot of it, actually.
Okay, so it's Hispanic Heritage Month, and I'm treating random strangers on the street to lunch. Do you want to have lunch with me?
I mean, if you're paying, yeah.
I'm paying. It's on Tastemade's dime.
Okay, let's go, Tastemade. Feed me.
Okay, I see a table. Let's go. Come on, let's go eat.
The dishes that we're making today, we're providing, is the empanadas, beef and vegan. Those are my mom's homemade recipe, fried chicken sandwich, but just with the Caribbean twist. The ahi tuna tostones with some guacamole, and then the pastelón pizza. Pastelón's basically like a Dominican lasagna, turning it into pizza.
Okay.
Thank you for joining me for dinner.
Mira, cheers.
Oh, cheers. Thank you. So I already put on an order. We're getting one of everything, but I know you told me you're a vegetarian, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Literally, when I told my father, he was like, okay, you wanna be a vegetarian? You cook your own food. And I was like, why? He's like, because we can't make the stuff without the meat and then make yours. And I was like,
So what did you eat growing up?
oh, a lot of carbs.
I see the food.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yup.
See the yuca?
Oh, the yuquitas look delicious.
Okay, let me try this.
Wow. Pizza is so good. So good.
Bye.
What's on this? What's in it?
Look at this. So you guys are known for Cubanos.
The Cubano sandwiches, I know.
Tell me about that. Well, you couldn't eat
I
it.
can't anymore, but
When you were younger, did you?
I did. If I had to eat meat, my favorite, I will say, I loved ropa vieja.
Oh,
When
wow.
I love, like, oh man, ropa vieja, the thing,
Yeah.
it's a process. So a lot of people.
I make a good one.
You do?
I make a good one.
Do you
I
make a
good one.
vegetarian one? You can
I
make
don't.
a jackfruit.
Okay, I know.
It's not the same.
See, it's
I
not
know.
the same. It's not
I know.
the same.
And like, I'm the vegetarian that really understands.
So if you were to tell anyone how to celebrate this month, what would you tell them?
Go visit any like Hispanic, Latino, Latina, whatever
Yeah.
you want to call it.
Yeah.
Restaurants, establishments, like just come and support us and buy from, you know, small like designers or whatever. And
Hispanic Heritage Month is like not just something that should be done once a year. It should be every month, every day.
It doesn't really matter where you're from, but because we are Latinos, we have that same sense of like sacrifice, or like, you know, immigration, or, you know, wherever your family is from, we're all in the same struggle. So
Yeah.
whether you're Dominican, Puerto Rican, Mexican, or other, I think we all mesh together very well.
I think people need to like continue to like remember that we out here.
Yeah. Thank you for joining Random Stranger and
my God,
having
yeah.
lunch
Yeah.
and telling me your story.
Thank you. I have no friends and I get to like be here with you.
Listen, it's on me.
Hey.
Cheers.
Okay. So maybe like 2 more?